Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings so you can change mobile data behavior. This saves time versus searching each app. Swipe down twice, tap the gear, or open settings from your drawer. Once inside, tap connections or network and internet depending on your Samsung model. This is where data saver lives because it belongs to network controls. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you have carrier signal, then move to mobile data options so the next steps are visible and ready. Once done, tap data usage or mobile data. Different One UI versions place data saver there. You need the specific screen to toggle the feature. You'll see data saver and its current state. Tap it to expand because turning it off changes background behavior and app syncing. Make sure to check allowed apps or unrestricted data access so important apps keep working. You're adjusting limits that reduce background data. When you change them, apps may immediately resume normal activity. Now toggle data saver off and watch the switch move to the off position. This restores background data for most apps immediately. After turning it off, open any app that seemed restricted and let it refresh, or reboot the phone to force network services to restart. If an app still won't sync, make sure it's not blocked by battery optimization or restricted by its own settings. Quick troubleshooting. Re-enable then disable data saver once more to reset the network rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.